This is Junior. For those of you that have never seen a pileated woodpecker, or pileated, depending upon how you want to pronounce it, this is Junior. And he's been around for 2 years now. He was born 2 years ago. And his mom and dad tried for a good many years to have him. And they finally were successful 2 years ago. And this year, he actually had a mate. But they are an absolutely amazing bird. They look to me like a pterodactyl. Very, very handsome bird. And the young ones have a very red top knot to them. As they get older, they become more of a rusty color. I live next door to a vacant lot, which is basically a pine forest. And Mom and Dad lived there for years. And since Junior came along, they have vacated the area to him. Now these photos were taken back in February. And if you'll notice really, really closely, you can see his shadow on the tree. There it is. There's a better picture of the shadow. That's one in a million photos. Enjoy.